Hey friends, check out this cool street find I found the other day. I wanted to share it with you. After doing some research on this thing, this container, tin coated copper container with holes on the bottom. After doing some research, it turns out that this is a Hammam, that's Hammam, Hammam Turkish bath soap container. That's right, for public baths. This is dating from the 19th century, 1800s. And public baths were very popular in Turkey, Anatolia. And apparently, women, presumably, that's what I've read, would take these soap boxes into the Turkish baths with soap, a pumice stone, and a linen cloth for cleaning purposes. And that's what the drain holes are for there. You can see it's solid copper coated with tin. There would have been a clasp there originally, and I may just fashion up something from copper to clasp that, but I just scrubbed it up with some baking soda and a toothbrush, old toothbrush, took a lot of grime off this thing, and then oiled with 3-in-1 oil. That hinge there, copper hinge there, as well as oiling around this handle here. You can see just how well stuff was made, back in the day. That's all solid copper hinging there. It looks like it's welded, or soldered actually, with the copper right around those nails. You can see that. And they don't even make hinges like that anymore, where they actually will take the time to solder on the base metal to the back of the nail. It's kind of impressive. It's always impressive when you find old stuff and then find how well it was manufactured compared to most of the cheap disposable stuff that we get today. Planned obsolescence, I guess, is the term. But yeah, it's something I've never found before, is a soap box, an antique soap box. Thanks for stopping in. Look forward to reading your comments if you're into this kind of stuff. And stay clean.